Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Toyota Corolla Ascent hatch, stock reference number 5082. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 through to the 6th month 2019. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, with the left-hand taillight, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand taillight, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.